New construction, beautiful 3-bedroom ranch in Savoy Park subdivision. Featuring the Prince Vickery floor plan. Also includes finished flex/4th bedroom and 2 full bathrooms and 2-car garage. Vaulted ceilings and family room, breakfast area, master bedroom and master bath. Fireplace in family room and outside on game day porch. Master bedroom has walk-in closet, master bath has double vanity, garden tub and separate oversized shower. A quality built home by Castle Home Builders. 10-year warranty, USDA territory. Stock photos.